How to remove Microsoft account from Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm here to assist you in the process of removing your Microsoft account from Windows 10 or 11. If you found this guide helpful, we kindly request that you consider subscribing and liking the video. When you initially set up your Windows 10 or 11 account, you may have chosen to set it up with a Microsoft account. Now you may wish to remove it. To do this, you simply need to begin by accessing your settings, navigate to the bottom of the windows, and simply right-click on the Start button, and then go to Settings. Head over to the left and select Accounts. In your info, it will display your Microsoft account as well. To remove it, you need to switch this Windows 10 or 11 account on your computer to a local account. This transition will retain all the files you have on your computer, essentially transforming it into another account that is solely on your computer. In the future, you can always re-add this Microsoft account or even a different one. So click on Sign in with the local account instead. Provide some information for the consideration, read through it, and then press Next. You will need to enter your PIN and press it to enter your local account information. Now enter your local account information including your username and password. Make sure to enter a secure password and then press Next. And after that, sign out and finish. And then use your local account information to sign in. Once signed back in, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom and then navigate to the settings again and proceed to Accounts. Make sure you are in the Your Info interface and you will then see you have a local account. When you go into the account settings, it will display local account instead of your Microsoft account, and you'll have the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead or sign in with the local account instead. So this is basically how you can remove Microsoft account from Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.